Welcome to this Fastest Wins competition. So the rules are simple. 2 cars go head to head, race along the track, and the first one to reach the finish line wins. Now then, the finish line has special little flags at the top which should tell us who wins each race. But just in case, our judge today is this police car.
Hello. I'll make sure everything runs smoothly.
Excellent. Hold on. We're missing 2 racers. Oh yeah, where's Batman and the Joker?
My Mash'em now. Give it back, Joker.
Oh, and the Joker's taken the Mash'em. What will we do? Ooh, hey, what was that? A basketball? Whose ball is this?
Duck.
Bugs Bunny, it's your ball. Do you want to race in our competition?
Sure, just as long as my friend Daffy can race too. Check out my car. It's nice, but not as nice as my car.
Awesome. So everyone, get into your vehicles.
And let's begin. Mike versus Dory up first.
Ready, go!
Mike wins! The flag agrees, so well done Mike, you're into the next round. Rex versus Doctor Strange.
Ready, go!
Rex wins easily. Doctor Strange didn't even reach the finish line. Nice one, Rex. Superman versus Bugs Bunny in his first ever race.
Ready, go!
Ooh, the finish line can't decide who won that.
Police car, what do you think?
I think I need to see a replay. Aha! Bugs Bunny reached the finish line first. Well done, you go through. Chase versus Optimus Prime.
Ready, go!
Chase wins! Optimus Prime somehow fell over, so you go through, Chase. SpongeBob versus Mickey Mouse.
Ready, go!
And the flag says SpongeBob won. Oh no, he didn't. The flag is wrong. Sorry, SpongeBob, you're out. I'm sending Mickey Mouse through instead. McQueen versus Simba.
Ready, go!
Oh, Simba has reached the finish line first, even though he bounced back. Well done, you beat McQueen. Fairy Funling versus King Leonard.
Ready, go!
Ooh, what does the finish line think? It says King Leonard wins. Yep, I agree. Nice one, King Leonard. And Daffy Duck versus Thomas.
Ready, go!
Thomas wins. Sorry, Daffy, he was just too quick for you there.
So these are the cars who won that round. Who can win again?
Mike versus Rex.
Ready, go!
Rex wins it. Well done. Bugs Bunny versus Chase.
Ready, go!
Bugs Bunny wins. You're having a very good first competition, Bugs. Mickey Mouse versus Simba.
Ready, go!
Ooh, that was close, but the flag says Simba won. No, I'm not sure about that. And you bounced back again. So because he actually crossed the line, I'm sending Mickey Mouse through. And King Leonard versus Thomas.
Ready, go!
Another close one, but Thomas pipped King Leonard to the line, so goes through.
So these are our final 4. Who will make it to the final?
Rex versus Bugs Bunny.
Ready, go!
Bugs Bunny wins again! Wow, you're in the final of your first ever competition. And Mickey versus Thomas.
Ready, go!
Ooh, looks like Mickey wins it just. Yep, well done Mickey, you're into the final 2.
So, this is it. The final.
Between Bugs Bunny and Mickey Mouse.
One race, one winner.
But who will it be?
Ready, go!
Oh, really close final, but who wins? And the finish line says the right lane won.
Oh, so that means today's winner is Bugs Bunny. Well done. You win your first ever competition.